In this video, I will show how to recover Excel file not saved or lost. So click on File, then Options, now here click on Save. Now here guys, you will see the auto recover file location. Select this location, press Ctrl C. Now open File Explorer. Click here, Ctrl V. Now click on this arrow. So here guys, you will see a list of files which you not saved or which lost. So to recover any file, just double click on it. Click on OK. So now you have this unsaved file. Click on File. Now here click on Save As. Select location like desktop or document. Now give another name. Now save it. So simple and easy way guys to recover lost or unsaved file. Just in 2 or 3 steps. File, then Account and Options, Save, and copy this location and paste in File Explorer. Click on this arrow so you will see all files and double click on it. That's it. You will see this notice. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. So save as and give any name and change the location like desktop documents or any another folder and save it. So thanks for watching. This is the way to recover your Excel file.